What's up everybody, we are back with another video, and if you have watched my short, then you might know that I bought a lot of these Matchbox 5 packs from 2026. Those were on sale here in Germany at Aldi Süd for €5 each, which is a pretty good price. So the thing is, you will see a lot of unboxings in the upcoming weeks. Now, in my opinion, this is the best 5-pack of 2026. Why? I will tell you in a few seconds. First of all, let's take a quick look at the packaging of this set, which is called European Motorway. If you take a look at the packaging, they did change it a little. I think last year we had the name of the set down here. Now it's up right here. Here on the side you see our cover car, which is the BMW M2. You see, I already cut this thing open, and now we will take a look at the 5 models in this set. And I would say we start with the best one, which in my opinion is this guy here. New version for the BMW M2. In my opinion, one of the coolest new castings from Matchbox in the recent years. This thing is really sick, and especially this version. Now we see it in a fantastic metallic blue, and yeah, I have to say I really do like these golden 5 spokes. We also get very crisp details on the back with a BMW license plate, and also on the front. So this one really good. Definitely worth buying the set for €5. And obviously you only pay €1 per Matchbox model, which is a fantastic deal. So I think so far we have only seen the very first version, which was in red in a normal mainline single pack. And I think we will see a purple version this year, also in the mainline, if I'm correct. And we will see a white version in kind of a, special 5-pack or 5 car set, especially for the brand BMW. So yeah, really nice. We put our M2 in the parking lot. As we take a look at the next model, and I would say let's take a quick look at our Mini Countryman. Now, of course, you see this one comes in a German police livery. It's saying Polizei on the side. Yeah, that's pretty neat in my opinion. We also have that on the front. Yeah, looks really good, and we get a lot of deco on this one. Nothing on the back, but we have deco on the side, and on the front looks pretty good. 5 spokes in gunmetal gray. I mean, there are a lot of versions out of this Mini Countryman. I only have 2 of them. I think, I'm not 100% sure. I think they are also from 5 packs. From when is this casting? It's from 2018. So yeah, older casting. So here are the 3 versions that I do own, and I think, I don't know, there are 8 or 10 versions of this casting already out there. So then we have this one here. I'm not really sure if this is perfect in this mix. This is the Lotus Europa from 1972. I think it don't really matches the other models in the set, but whatever. I think this version especially looks a little bit strange. As you can see, we have a gray interior, and the interior piece also appears on the front as a bumper, and especially weird does it look on the back, in my opinion. But yeah, we got a blue base, so Yeah, I mean, these golden lines, if you take a close look, that's it's pretty neat. But yeah, it's definitely not my favorite casting. I only have one other version. I guess it's also from a 5-pack. So Lotus Europa, not the best one in this set. But now, this one is pretty cool. New color for the 2018 Bugatti Divo. Yeah, this is a really sick casting also in my opinion. Unfortunately, this one doesn't come with these headlight details. So yeah, unfortunately, I only have one other version. I think this guy here was the first version of the Divo, and you can see the headlight details. Now you can say, I mean, this car is white and you don't see it, but I don't know, it looks a little bit strange. I think there are already, I don't know, 5 or 6 versions. Unfortunately, pretty tough to get here in Germany. There's a version that is kind of similar to this one here. I think it's completely black. I never found that one. I think it was a mainline. Then there was a 70th anniversary version that never showed up here at my area. And then we had, I think, a 9-pack exclusive. And then one of these premium versions. Unfortunately, so yeah, I only have one version. And now we do have 2. And yeah, our last model is the Porsche 911 Targa in really nice gunmetal gray with, I think these wheels are matching this model perfectly. And look at the details. This, I mean, for a Euro, this is really sick. I mean, of course, we have a whole plastic roof. And I mean, nowadays, many of these Matchbox models come with these plastic roofs, you know, guess metal is more expensive, but this one looks really good. Look at the front details, the back, nice rims. And the good thing is, I have all 4 versions now that are out so far. I think the first version we ever saw was this guy here in blue. Same wheel style. I think they all have the same wheel style, but different colors. Then we saw it in red, which is also pretty nice. But I'm not really sure. I think the best one might have been this one. In yeah, it's not. I wouldn't call it British racing green, but it's, you know, kind of British racing green. British racing green metallic. I don't know, but yeah, this one definitely looks good. So yeah, there you have it, the 2026 Matchbox European Motorway 5-pack. Of course, as always, we take a quick look at our models from this video, and I pick a favorite. And yeah, what can I say? I already told you that this guy here is my favorite. If the camera would focus, there you have it. Fantastic color and fantastic casting, and I like the golden rims. And with that said, thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.